Hi guys! Today we're going to fix Discord GIFs not loading. If your GIFs are stuck or not playing inside Discord, don't worry because this is a common issue and it can be solved in a few simple steps. Let's fix it quickly. First, unlock your phone and open the Discord app. Once it opens, stay on the main screen. If GIFs are not loading, it usually means a settings or playback issue. Now look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your account settings area. Honestly, most of the important options are hidden here. Once you open your profile page, tap on the settings icon at the top right side. Now scroll down slowly in settings until you find accessibility under app settings. Tap on it. This section controls media behavior like images, videos, and GIF playback inside Discord. Here you will see an option called Automatically Play GIFs when possible. Turn this option on. If it is off, GIFs will not load or play properly, so enabling it usually fixes the problem instantly. Now close Discord completely and reopen it. If the issue still exists, restart your phone once. This refreshes the system and clears temporary bugs that may be blocking GIF loading. And that's how you can fix Discord GIFs not loading easily. Just follow these simple steps and your GIFs should start working normally again. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you want more Discord troubleshooting guides.